What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and this time with the unboxing of Motorola Pulse 3 Max. Let's get started. So first of all, let's see what's on the box. Here it says Siri and Google Now compatible, and Google Now means that it is also compatible with Google Assistant, hands-free and deep bass, superior clarify, ergonomic design. Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so here we have the Motorola Pulse 3 Max over-the-ear headphones. So as you can see, the ear cups are pretty big, and these are the cushion is very comfortable actually. It can move like this. It cannot fold, just to clarify. It is extendable. So yes, that's it, and you get this 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm headphone jack with a microphone and one button. So yes, that's all in the box. We'll get back to you with the review. So that's it for the unboxing guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you made it till the end. Stay tuned for more and for the review of Motorola Pulse 3 Max.